JUZDAD alphabets time! A for apple and ant. B for ball and bat. C for cat and cow. D for dog and doll. E for elephant and eggs. F for fish and fan. G for goat and goose. H for hen and house. I for ink and eyes. J for jug and jam. K for kite and king. L for lion and log. M for monkey and mug. N for nest and net. O for owl and ox. P for pig and pen. Q for queen and quilt. R for rat and ring. Yes for sun and shape. T for toys and tiger. U for umbrella and unicorn. V for van and violin. W for watch and watermelon. X for xylophone and Xmas tree. Y for yoga and yak. Z for zebra and zoo. See you again. Bye. Have a great day.